Yeah, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Peter. Mbaniriza nnyo ku YouTube channel yange. Amanya gange nze Peter. Ku channel eno, we always learn Luganda. We learn how to speak Luganda. We learn how to write Luganda and all things, basic things in Luganda. But with time, we'll start reading novels, Luganda novels. We'll explain down those things and tujja tulaba engero ebisoko n'ebirala bingi nnyo n'ebyafaayo ebikwata ku Luganda. So today let's try to learn simple booking phrases, like when we are trying to book accommodation. Those phrases, these commonly used phrases when you are trying to book accommodation. For example, osobola okuba nga you're new to a certain place, you are a new person to a certain place, and you'd like to know where you can get a room and sleep, or where you can get a hotel, and you work on yourself, like having a sleep, getting what to eat, and all that stuff. So today in a simple video, let's learn how to ask for those things, like for hotel, rooms, food, etc. For example, you can go to a place when you know the hotel, but you don't know where the exact place to find that hotel. For example, you can say, where is, and you fill the name of that hotel. Let's say, for us in Uganda, the biggest hotel we have, it is called Serena. Let's say we're in Kampala, you're a new person from a certain country or up country, but you would like to know where Serena is, where is Hotel Africana. Mention any hotel. So like you are like, where is Serena Hotel? Where is Serena Hotel? In Luganda we say, Woteeri ya Serena eriwa. Woteeri ya Serena eriwa. Where is Serena Hotel? For example, you are asking a person, you are moving and you would like to be directed to that hotel. You say, Woteeri ya Serena eriwa. Where is Serena Hotel? For example, you are directed to the Serena Hotel, but you don't know the way to Serena. So you are like, where is the way to Serena Hotel? Where is the way to Serena Hotel? Ekkubo erigenda ku Serena liriwa? Oba ekkubo erigenda ku woteeri ya Serena liriwa? Ekkubo erigenda ku woteeri ya Serena liriwa? Okay, where is the way to Serena Hotel? So let's say you reached there, you wanted to know whether they still have rooms. So you were like, do you still have rooms? Do you still have rooms? In Luganda we say, mukyalinawo ku bisenge. Mukyalinawo ku bisenge. Do you still have rooms? Mukyalinawo ku bisenge. So like ebisenge ebyokusulamu, those rooms where they sleep. Okay? If like another statement you would like to use, do you have hot water in the bathroom? Do you have hot water in the bathroom? Mulina amazzi agookya mu binaabiro? Mulina amazzi agookya mu binaabiro? Do you have hot water in the bathroom? So you can even say, do you have mosquito nets in the rooms? Do you have mosquito nets in the rooms? Mulina obutimba bw'ensiri mu bisenge? Mulina obutimba bw'ensiri mu bisenge? Do you have mosquito nets in the room? So when it is one room, ekisenge. When there are two rooms, ebisenge. Ebi for multiple, echi for single, ekisenge, it is one, ebisenge, 2 plus. Okay, so can you give me a single room? Let's say you are one, you don't have a partner, so that's how we ask. Can you give me a single room? osobola okumpa ekisenge ky'omuntu omu, osobola okumpa ekisenge ky'omuntu omu. Can you give me a single room? There you go. Thank you for watching. I'll come back with a next video saying about booking accommodation, and we see how we can help you, or you can help a friend to get a room when he is in Uganda. He or she is in Uganda easily. And for your information, people in Uganda, when they note that you are not a Ugandan but you can speak Luganda, you're going to find it easy. They will like you, they will love you, they will give you a good hospitality. My name is Peter. Keep on subscribing na ku channel eno, twerenga tutambula mpolampola, twetaaga abantu abangiko tusobole okubanga tusoma. So far so good, the number is climbing. So keep on subscribing, invite your friends to subscribe. We need more numbers, please. And as I'm still cooking many things. I will start reading for you novels, from O-level novels to A-level novels, and those beautiful novels that they are not on the curriculum. So just keep on watching, subscribing. After subscribing, click on that bell and select all notifications, whereby whenever I upload, you will just get to know that I've uploaded a video and you come and watch the video. Thank you very much. My name is Peter. Ciao.